So I just wanted to take a bit of time to talk to you about the upcoming features that you might expect in the coming weeks. So the first one is being able to add manual inputs in columns. So right now, if you add a column to a table, you cannot write in it. We won't let you do it. You can only write a formula. And soon you'll be able to write things in it and to have some kind of notes associated to each record. So right now you could obviously write things here, but you have no guarantee that this data remains linked to the right record whenever we refresh the data. Also, if you apply a filter, you'll still have this data in J2 and J3, whereas initially you added this data on other records. So soon you won't have this issue anymore, and you just be able to add some data here. All right, so that's one thing. Just delete this column. Another thing is being able to create table from scratch. So right now a table has to be imported from an external source, such as a SQL database or HubSpot. Very soon, you'll be able to create your own table. So for example, here I have some people, deal owners, and maybe I have some other information that I like to have on them. So maybe I would want to create a table with their email address and phone number and whatever else, other information, and then being able to maybe look up this information in this table. So right now you won't be able to do that, but very soon you'll be able to create a table out of something like this, and then have all the logic that you already have on tables. So computed columns, lookup, aggregation formulas, etc., etc. And last thing I want to mention here is collaboration. So right now, Actiondesk is a purely solo product, but very soon you'll be able to add other users, so add colleagues in your account and share specific sheets with colleagues or the external world.